If you want to see how I transform my bathroom space from looking like this to this, keep watching. Hi everyone, what's up? My name is Nikita and I am the face behind my Instagram and YouTube channel, yours truly NB. I upload all things fashion, beauty, travel, and everything in between, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how I transform my bathroom space. So the wall behind the toilet was really plain, so boring, and such an eyesore. It had a magazine rack in the back that clearly wasn't being put to use. So I got rid of that, repainted it, and I went online to look at some inspo for bathrooms, and I came across the idea of having floating shelves on the wall. I don't know why I didn't think about this before, but it is a genius idea, and I got to work right away. The space I had to work with from wall to wall was about 30 inches, and luckily and magically and thankfully I found a floating shelf from Backg that was exactly 29 inches, and it was on sale for $50.61, and it came with all the hardware. I will say though, if you are a handy DIYer, have someone that knows what they're doing and have more time, you can easily go to Home Depot, get a slab of wood, ask them to cut it to your desired length, get some hardware and install it yourself. But I was really impatient, wanting to get this project done and over with, so I opted for getting a pre-made or shelf that was already to my desired length. Anyways, I hired my dad, aka asked him to help me, which he was so gracious in doing, and he got these shelves installed up in like an hour, no problem. Because the shelves are a little smaller, literally like half an inch on each side, the space was driving me crazy, but I knew that once I added decor, it would elevate the space a little bit more and I wouldn't be looking at that space on the side. For decor, these are all the things I used to decorate the shelf. This metal basket was from Simon's and it was $18. I bought this to put little hand and face towels. And then this fake eucalyptus plant is also from Backg. It was $30, so expensive for a fake plant, but like I said, I was in a rush to get things done and this just fit perfectly with the space. And then these longer vines here help cover up that space between the wall and the shelf. So pro tip, when I was at the store, I saw that they were selling fake eucalyptus bunches, just like, you know, couple stems by the bunch for $14, and I had noticed that some of them had actually come apart from the bunch and it just fallen and became loose. So I asked the store employee if I could just take some extras to add it to my plant to give it more fullness and kind of drape more on the side, and they did. So I ended up getting these two strings or strands of leaves and I just added it to my plant, and I think it just looks so much more full. Like, look at that. This brand new picture frame was thrifted for $3. It was in perfect condition. Like, how amazing is that? And then this picture of the pig, I just found it online and got it printed. So cute. All the towels that I have are from HomeSense, which I already had in my closet, and then the used products were things I actually won from my bridal shower, and I just put them on the shelf and they actually tie in all the colors so well. In total, I spent about $150, so $100 for the shelves and $50 for the decor, and I absolutely love how this turned out. There's so much more life and color to this space and I'm so happy with it. In the future, I can always switch things up to upgrade the space a little bit more, so I can get different towels, I can get a different picture or a frame, etc, etc. Anyways, that brings me to the end of my video. I hope you guys love this video as much as I loved creating this space. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them down below, or you can message me on my Instagram, yours truly NB. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.